I'm going to send you guys home with that. So I want to show you the program I gave you actually does this for you. When I say it does this, it rolls dice for you. So let me make sure you guys can.
There's already a program on it that rolls dice.
Right, but you can't pick how many sides that has. To infinity. That's why I wrote mine. It gives you any sided die you needed to have. You're absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. All right. So if you go, and if you don't have this, I'll give it to you after class. I promise. If you go to the PRGM button program, okay, PRGM, it's below stat, it's above cosine, and I got more crap here than you do. But just go find one that's called estimate or estimate. Grab that, run it. It asks for how many sides. The reason I wrote the program for this is so you could do it with a coin, you could do it with a die, you could do it with the Lego men and women that are in the exercise that you'll try for next time. So for this one, you'd put in 6, because there are 6 sides on a die. And when you press enter, the TI starts rolling. And it stops rolling when it's done. And it tells you that it took you 24 times until you saw everything at least one time. Now, you don't actually see the dice, it's doing it behind the scenes. But it's getting those results for you without you seeing it. Ariel, ask me that question.
Mine says 14.
That's okay!
Okay.
Just like this! Right? We all got different results each time.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, random. There's a random command. Let me show you. This is so freaking cool. When you go into the code, watch, I'll show you why, Ariel. When you go right, we just went by, right up here, right there, that command, randint, the ID is random. It might roll mine a 2, it might roll you a 6.
Okay.
So you took 14 where I took 24. Fair enough?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, I'm going to do it again. So now it's going to take me 16. When you press enter again, it's going to give you a choice. Do you want to roll again? Or do you want to change the die? Or do you want to be done? So if you just hit roll again, it'll roll again. And it'll tell you it's 22 this time. So in other words, in the homework, I'm going to ask you the equivalent of a 16-sided die. Because there are 16 Lego minifigures in the collection that Max wanted. And essentially, when he goes, he grabs one. You can't tell what's inside the bag before you open it. So it's like rolling a die. Which one did he get? Did he get the skate punk, the fireman, the Zulu warrior? Who knows what he got? But figuring out how many it takes until he has them all is the same problem. Because each wanted to buy 16. I'm like, how many's that piggy bank of yours, kid? And that's the question I want you guys to figure out. You could easily get this much data by simply pressing this over and over and over again and collecting the flip to 9 that time. Just keep pressing enter and you keep rolling and buying Lego men without buying Lego men, and eventually you're done. Does that make sense? That's the program, that's how it works. Okay, that's my gift to you. I'll give it to the rest of you guys. Let me shut the camera down. We're going to cut a little bit early because I want to return quizzes.